Uh-oh. Almost there, almost there.
Fire on the support section 2.
See?
805 continue approach traffic on the
Good,
axis.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I believe in you.
Alright.
And don't ever go outside of the runway. Once landed, control it by rudder.
Yep.
Reduce power.
Yep.
Huh? Always parallel to the runway. Okay?
Yep.
I'll wait here. After
Okay.
you land, vacate echo, then proceed here. Or, if you landed, vacate Foxtrot, proceed here.
Alright.
You can do this!
Yeah.
Be an above average pilot.
Rosa Cap.
Okay. I already teach you all the skills you need, then show me what you got.
Alright, Cap.
Okay. Stop the brakes.
RPC 7173,
You
continue
good?
landing roll left, Echo
Okay.
Charlie, holding point runway
Stop the
25.
You can do this!
Yes,
Left echo right Charlie holding point 25 RPC.
Listening in the ring.
Left Echo left Charlie, holding point 25.
Left Echo, left Charlie, holding point 25. Thank you, Cap. Yep.
I'll wait you here. Huh?
Alright.
You can do this!
Yes, Cap. The time has come.
I'll be listening you via radio.
Roger. Yep.
You can do this!
Alright, Cap. See ya. See ya.
No window into door.
Yep. Get you. 1, 2, 3, my check. RBC 5029er, request taxi to active runway for first solo.
RPC 5029er, roger, taxi Charlie, holding point runway 25.
Taxi Charlie to holding point 25, 5029er. यस्तो हावा चलेको छ फेरि आज नै हिजो यस्तो राम्रो वेदर थियो साइको बनाइदियो Strobe lights on, landing lights on, magneto set to both checked.
RPC 14 leading traffic on turning final.
Cold check, mixers
Traffic inside, RPC 14.
Transponder set ALT checked. Heading indicator is aligned and we're ready for departure. Alrighty, parking brakes.
RPC 5029er, wind 230 degrees, 10 knots, runway 25, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 25, clear for takeoff, 5029, thank you. Okay, we're set. Let's maintain the center line. He's on the floor. This one goes to Mamura Baba. Full power. Alright. Engine check green. Is it alright? 50, 55, 60, 65. And rotate. RPC 5029 airborne will take on base.
RPC 5029er, roger.
What the was the airspeed 85.
RPC 5029er, report base.
Report base 5029er. And power to 21. We're 700 feet, power is 21, mixture is rich, gravity is cold, flaps up. Everything looks good. Stay turning right. Alright. 700 feet, perfect. 21, perfect. Crosswind. Parallel with the runway. Check. Okay, before landing, mixtures rich. Carpet is cold, fuel selector turbo, carpet is hot actually. Hot and fuel selector turbo seatbelt secured. Everything looks good. Alright, almost there for this amazing day. Landing lights on. Gourmet boy, gourmet. Okay, speed check, white arc. IBC 5029er turning right base, 25, full stop to tower.
IBC 5029er, wind 210 degrees at 8 knots, runway 25, clear to land.
Tower 25, clear to land, IBC 5029er. From here, we will do the 80 miles per hour or 70 knots. We have it 70 knots, so 80 miles per hour. Going down 600. 80 knots, going down to 500. That's it. Airspeed to 80.
Sovit, monitor airspeed and center line.
Roger that, Cap. Monitor airspeed. So that is 80. And center line. On the glide path, airspeed is 80. On the glide path, airspeed is 80. Center line, center line, center line. Center line, nice approach, Sovit. Center line, center line, center line. Okay, we're almost there. This is yeah! That's
Nice landing.
go! Thank you, 5029er turning left echo.
5029er, roger, and turn left on Foxtrot, right Charlie for park in front of the tower.
Turning left Foxtrot, blocking in front of tower, 5029er, thank you. Alright! That was it! After landing, check, flaps is up, mixer is ground lean, climate is cold. Transponder set standby, landing lights is off, ADC ground contact. I would like to thank
Me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for having no days off.
Kidding. Thank you so much, Cap Enrique, I love you. I love you more than I love anyone else at this point, yeah. Oi, alcohol na, ke गरेको यस्तो गर्मीमा. I'm so excited to see Cap Enrique right now. He must be so proud of me. Ooh, handled there like a champ. Right, clear. Okay, there's Cap Enrique. Woo! Thank you so much. Nice.
Then you prove me that you are above average.
Oh, thank you so much.
Because you
That's a lot.
handle the wind, the condition, the runways.
Yep. Alright.
Civic Tower 509 power, left time instruction back to boat.
Obviously 5029er, taxi Charlie, boat and ramp.
Charlie, boats and ramp, 509. How's your landing?
It like floated a little bit, but after that I just added a little power and it was like buttery smooth and like it was the best landing of today.
Nice.
Like it was great. It was great.
Nice,
I was like,
nice.
I like flared too much because you were not there. The aircraft was light, and then it like went up. No, and then again slowly it would sink down straight, like center line almost.
Wow.
It was
How's the
really
wind?
very gusty in the final, but somehow handled it.
I
But
know,
thank God, during the touchdown it was not that like it was before.
I know you can handle that.
Yeah, but it was really,
we trained
really
on that.
gusty.
We practiced that, right?
To be honest, I was soaring while taxiing from here, but after I reached there, I was like, yeah, I can it, like, champ. That was amazing. Woo, finally!
How's the power on landing?
Yeah, I just added a little bit power and then it was like smooth. It was really smooth, oh my god.
Nice.
Even if it like floated a little bit, no problem at all because we had a little bit power, so yeah.
That's the spirit.
Yep.
Right? That's the thinking I want you to know. Because, yeah, being a pilot, you are the one who control the aircraft. What if you have the passenger,
Yeah.
even your family on your flight? So it's your job to deal whatever wind condition might you experience on that landing.
Alright, good.
Unless you already have the skills, then use that. At least, congrats.
Yeah.
Nice.
ABC 5029er, clear of taxiway Charlie, terminating the flight plan, and thank you so much. Expect a pizza coming in the tower.
5029, Roger. Have a nice day, and again, congratulations.
Thank you so much, have a nice day. This one for my mom and dad.
Yep.
Did it! Woo! Thank you so much, Kuya. Okay.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
And celebration!
Okay.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.